Hey there, Grasshopper here again, and this time we've got the Mage of the Ascension Tarot decks, Knight of Dynamism. With most tarot decks, the Knights are present in one form or another. Connected with all of them, the Knights are present in one form or another. But Knights compare to Pages kind of favorably. The Knights have at least some idea of what they're doing, but they lack the wisdom to understand what they shouldn't be doing. So you'll typically see Knights rushing in where angels feel fear to tread, right? Even though they have some of the experience necessary to get through the experience, they're not held back by the knowledge of what goes wrong. And in this case, you got that giant dragon serpent breathing fire down on the townsfolk. You can't actually see the Knight of Dynamism in this image, but it's my imagining that he's in there and he's trying to fight that dragon, not understanding that the dragon can totally kick his butt, and so he's rushing in to vanquish the great evil without a hope in the world of actually being able to do it. Now, as that relates to a tarot reading, is whoever it is referring to, they're going to want to rush in headlong. They're going to want to tackle the problem, head on, and just maybe brute force their way through whatever it is that they're going through. Brute force intellect, applying that sort of thinking to the situation at hand, and that's not going to work. If you sort of try to brute force your way through it, you're just going to get burned. Just like the Knight in this picture is going to get totally burned by that dragon, and then probably gobbled up as a snack. Or yeah. So, there you go. I would not want to be the guy in that town, for sure. That's about it for the Knight of Dynamism. I'll see you on the next card. Hey, if you like this video, why don't you give a like down below? You can subscribe there on the left or hitting the subscribe button underneath. And if you want to get alerts, go ahead and click the little bell icon and make sure that you get notified whenever new videos are posted. And hey, thank you